Hello, this is Al Hernandez from Group 2, and this is my response to the Week 8 moderator videos. As I understood the assignment, we were supposed to comment only on the group questions, which I will do, but first I wanted to say that I enjoyed hearing about the various examples that people came up with for the individual question about the ladder of citizenship participation. It seems like this concept was a useful one for us to evaluate how people can be engaged at different levels. In regards to the group questions about the Serrano-Garcia and bond reading, a central theme emerged, and it was around understanding participation of both the researchers and the communities that they are engaging with. Group 1 tackled it from the point of view of intervention. They talked about the fact that until recently, they did not associate social change with the scientific method. Most likely, this is due to the way many of us have been educated up until now. I certainly share this perception and agree with the idea that empowering the people you are researching is something which is a compelling proposition. Group 3 looked at participation in terms of power and the power differences as they are expressed in research. They reiterated the point that researchers may perceive that they're in a position of power, but that is an illusion. Actually, because participants have the data that is needed to complete a project, they have significant power in that situation. I was glad Group 3 brought up the point that the only way to diffuse the power differential is to acknowledge the respective roles and their resulting imbalances, and also that they reinforce the importance of driving the focus towards the common goals. This transparency is something that I've seen be very effective in relationships where there is an asymmetrical power element present. Group 4 examined ways to facilitate participation. They cited a number of avenues to pursue, from sharing resources to fully engaging the community. They reinforced the point that if you want a project to be successful, you need to seed power and allow everyone to play a role. I agree that this will maximize mutual respect. I also think that this week's focus on participation was interesting in light of our article matrix assignment. It took some work for me to find studies that were participatory in nature, and even then, I'm not sure that the ones that I found exhibited many of the characteristics that we learned about this week. I hope my comments were helpful, and I look forward to next week.